Hai semuanya, hai. Untuk yang bisa dengar suara saya, suaranya bergema nggak sih kakak-kakak? Lihat dong, boleh lihat di kolom chatnya. Aman ya Kak Citina, Tina, thank you. Oke, hai. Oke, now saya mau menyapa dari yang Living Indonesia. Selamat pagi yang Living Indonesia. Saat ini kita sudah kedatangan tamu yang sebenarnya usianya lebih dari 50 tahun, tapi tampilannya sangat muda sekali dan sangat sehat. Nanti kita mau dengar, sebenarnya usia mempengaruhi kecantikan dan kesehatan nggak sih? Atau sebenarnya gaya hidup yang mempengaruhi penampilan dan kesehatan? Nanti kita lihat ya. And today, this morning, may I know, is there anyone that coming in this Zoom not from Indonesia? Can I ask all of you, sempat termasuk yang dari Indonesia, can you please share in chat where are you coming from? Jakarta or maybe Malaysia or even maybe US? I don't know. Can you please share in chat column where do you coming from or where do you joining from? Jakarta, Jogja. The other, oh, from Malaysia. Welcome to Karen. Anyone else? And then Jakarta. Hi, Linda Abu Bakar. Welcome. Anyone else? Hai, Kakak Ingrid, Bandung. Unique Chin, Malaysia. Wait. Agniola, you're joining from Poland. Welcome. And then the others. Oh, wow. So many people joining today, ya. Hai Sandra from Kuala Lumpur, Kakak Mei. Oh, someone is joining from Singapore. Hi Mayin, how are you today? So happy that this morning we have so many people joining, not only from Indonesia, from Poland, from Malaysia, from Singapore, and we are so happy to welcome all of you today here in Indonesia. And then, you know what? This morning we have two guests, a very special guest coming from Malaysia. They're going to share with all of us, even though they're already 50 years plus, right? Annie, 50 years plus. They don't look like 50. They look like 19. Okay, later on they will share their testimonial. Actually, what do they do? What is their secret? What is their uh, secret sauce, secret recipe that make them still very healthy, very beautiful, even after they are having their 50s? So yes, first we're going to have the testimonial from Sue, Ang Soo Hui. Actually, she is on her way on her flight to London, but she already record her testimonial. So first, we are gonna listen to her testimonial from Ang Soo Hui on his flight, on her flight to London. Oke, are we ready? Teman-teman, udah siapkah untuk mendengarkan testimonial pertama dari Ang Soo Hui? Kalau sudah, boleh lihat di kolom chatnya. Sudah, Kakak Lisa. Can I please? Hai Kakak Risca, terima kasih. Hai Ciria. Apa cuma dua orang dari Indonesia? Yuk, dilihat di kolom chatnya. Kalau sudah, hai Zarinia. Kakak Ayu, thank you. Sudah bisa kah? Yuk, kita dengarkan testimonial pertama. Baik.
Hello, Young Living Indonesia. I'm so happy to be here to share with you something that your country just launched. All right, that's the Deep Spectra Pito Complex. Hi, I'm Sue. I'm a nurse. I'm a mom of two, a cancer survivor, and I inspire others to wellness. So during my treatment and my recovery, Young Living products have helped me tremendously. And it has also changed the way I view health from the happy to just use anything to choosing non-toxic as an option. So my family and I will continue to be healthy or as healthy as we can be. Right. So I would like to jump straight into what is this deep spectra phyto complex, right? So my skin didn't have like that much of an issue, but I do have over the years, especially after my treatment, the chemotherapy, the radiotherapy has done damage on my skin. So I was using Bloom Collagen and Bloom Skincare, and that has helped me a lot, right, in getting better skin. But which woman doesn't want to have even better skin, to look beautiful, especially now that I am in my 50s. I still want to look good, right? So I shall share a little bit. Okay, I will leave the technical out of it because I will leave it to the right people to talk about it, but I will share as a user what I do. All right. So I just open this, just take a few drops. I put a few drops on my palm. Usually I do three drops in the morning, 3 drops at night. Okay, that seems to be my magic number because I think my skin looks really good. I also add in deep spectra frankincense, partly because of my cancer history. I wanted to make sure that I am well covered. And of course, on days that when I need to go out for a presentation, to give a talk, I just want to have that extra boost that my skin look even better. So I just open up. I also put a drop, okay? Just a drop, add it in because this spectra phyto complex is the base, right? That is the serum. And of course, adding the extra frankincense smells good. And that's all I do. I apply. I already washed my face earlier, right? So I just apply it. Any balance, I put it on my neck. You can use a lot more drops if you like. Don't have to stick to my 3, right? If you want to do more, you can actually apply on and have enough to apply smoothly on your neck and maybe all around and behind your neck as well. Especially for people who like to wear, bare backs. You can show off your back. You may want to have better skin over there as well. Yeah. Okay. I do that. So I do actually apply it at the back because the back, sometimes people see you from the back, right? So it has to look good too. Right, so 3 drops in the morning and 3 drops at night. And I go out in the sun with that because I've been asked as a nurse or my members as well. They have asked me about this orange cacao in the phyto complex. Is it safe to go out in the sun? To me, it's perfectly safe. I've been to my last holiday was in Japan during the summer. I use this on my skin. I go out. I didn't have any sunblock on. Of course, I'm also very practical. I have a hat on, okay? I have a hat on and just this phyto complex, and I just went out. I didn't get burnt at all. And summer in Japan, and this last summer was really, really hot. Okay, if you read the news. So, but it was perfectly fine because I was on the go. I didn't just stand there. Yeah. But be smart about it. If you are stationary, you're not moving. You're just in one spot. The sun is on you all the time. Yes, you may get burned. But because I'm walking, it's fine. I know I was in and out, I was in a car, so that's perfectly fine. So I live in Malaysia, and then very much like your weather, it is hot. We have sun, and I'm very happy with the vitamin D, free vitamin D that I get. I don't get burned, And if you look closely, I don't really get sunspots either. right? So my skin is really, really good. People come up to, so so what you see now is after using Pito Complex for 4 months straight. Yeah. And I didn't notice how good my skin has become, but after 2 weeks of using, there are people that come up to me, oh, your skin is looking good. You look pretty. And I was surprised. So obviously it's working, even though I may not notice it myself, but people notice it. And that's the best compliment. Yeah. So I do have a before and after photo. All right. Yeah, maybe can help to put it on that the members can see. All right. So the photo on the left, all right, the photo on the left is with a light makeup on. And the photo on the right is without makeup. And I am very proud that in my 50s, my skin can look like this. And I'm definitely going to continue using it. And I can't wait to see after 1 year what my skin will be like and how much better and healthier and more glowy it will be. So thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you so much, Su, for having us also, for inspiring us also. Jadi, saya mengucapkan terima kasih juga untuk Ang Suhui yang berasal dari Malaysia, salah satu platinum dari Malaysia. Beliau sudah menceritakan kepada kita tentang perjalanan beliau di usia 50, tapi masih tetap oke penampilannya. Oke, teman-teman di sini, menurut teman-teman from Indonesia pastinya ya, bagaimana apakah Ibu Ang Suhui memang terlihat seperti 50 tahun atau gimana? Boleh saya lihat di kolom chatnya, teman-teman? Amazing, yeah, Eunice. And also Sherlyn, thank you. She doesn't look like she's 50, right? The others, teman-teman yang di sini boleh saya tahu menurut teman-temannya gimana? Kakak Risha, terima kasih kulitnya sehat sekali. Dan memang di apa namanya di dalam phytocomplex itu ada kandungan orange cacao yang sebenarnya essential oil yang berasal dari citrus itu sebaiknya tidak digunakan di bawah matahari gitu ya karena memang bisa membuat kita kemerahan. Tapi tadi Su kita manggilnya Su itu sudah mencobanya. Kalau memang berada di bawah mataharinya masih dalam hal normal tanpa sunscreen itu ternyata masih tetap bisa terlindungi dengan baik gitu ya. Ha, Annie, you're next. Nah, Ang Suhi ini memang, Su itu memang adalah pasien kanker dan dia adalah penyintas kanker sehingga dia masih sangat menjaga kesehatannya. Oke, teman-teman sekalian, di sini sudah tampil satu lagi. Nanti beliau juga akan bercerita. I will add spotlight. Hi Annie, how are you?
Halo Lisa, thank you for having me. Terima
We thank
kasih
you.
atas kehormatan undangan ini.
You do speak bahasa. Teman-teman ngerti nggak apa yang Annie katakan? Boleh tolong ditulis di kolom chatnya. Kalau Annie bicaranya seperti ini, teman-teman menurut teman-teman cukup jelas nggak ya?
Ya, saya bahasa Indonesia bukan bahasa pertama saya, so saya akan berbicara campuran dengan bahasa English. Ya, so jika ada apa-apa yang tidak accurate, yang kesalahan, saya minta maaf dulu ya.
Tuh, everyone say you speak bahasa clearly. Thank you so much, Annie, for
I
helping.
try. Saya akan cuba ya. But thank you, Young Living Indonesia, and thank you, Lisa, for inviting me. Yeah.
We thank you for coming, for joining in this Zoom and want to share about your experience, especially why do I speak English and you speak bahasa? This is totally wrong. Thank you, Annie, karena sudah hadir di sini dan sudah mau berbagi dengan kami semua tentang gaya hidup sehat, tentang produk essential oil yang benar-benar bisa mendukung kesehatan dan kecantikan kulit. And now I will give the time to you so you can share with us what is your experience, especially with Deep Spectra Phytocomplex. Would you
Okay.
please share with us in bahasa or maybe campur-campur lah ya?
Campur-campur ya. Terima kasih, Lisa. So, my name's Annie. So, welcome and thank you for joining us. Saya start guna Young Living sudah since March of 2014, ya. Dan kenapa saya want to start Young Living lifestyle at that time? Because prioritas utama saya dalam hidup adalah melakukan segala yang saya boleh, yang bisa untuk jaga kesehatan, ya, supaya saya bila sudah lebih tua in my senior years, saya tidak menjadi beban kepada sendiri dengan beban kepada orang yang I love, ya, to the people that saya cintai. Yeah, so that's why I started Young Living, and I haven't stopped since March of 2014. Yeah. So what I noticed, apa yang saya lihat over the years, yeah, as I start with the Premium Starter Kit, and then I start to explore dia punya different product as it came into Malaysia. Ialah my skin was getting better and better. Like pertamanya, macam most people, saya akan guna makeup dengan foundation, ya. Tapi selepas guna Young Living lifestyle, over the years since 2014, after that I noticed, saya berasa, oh, actually I don't need makeup, I don't need foundation anymore. And now I only use makeup when there's a formal event, ya. So nowadays, untuk setiap hari saya jarang sekarang I don't have foundation. In fact, I just came after yoga class, so just wash my face and datang ke kelas, ya.
Okay,
So,
Annie, will it be okay if I interrupt you just for a bit?
sure.
Oke, hang on. Teman-teman di Indonesia, apakah dengan seperti ini teman-teman cukup jelas ya? Jadi maksudnya kalau saya translate mungkin nanti ada beberapa hal yang akan tercut gitu ya. Tapi dengan demikian, apabila Annie berbicara dalam bahasa campur-campur, apakah teman-teman masih butuh bantuan di translate atau sudah cukup jelas? Sudah cukup jelas kan ya? Yang lain boleh saya lihat responnya juga. Adakah yang lain bisa kasih respon juga? Memang cukup jelas. Oke, baik. Terima kasih. Sejauh ini Ibu Eni menjelaskan bahwa beliau ingin sekali ketika beliau hidup gitu ya, beliau tidak menjadi beban untuk keluarganya maupun untuk dirinya sendiri. Sehingga di usia 50 tahun beliau masih tetap terlihat sehat, tetap terlihat cantik tanpa make up. Jadi teman-teman yang di sini kalau setuju bahwa Eni atau can we just call you Eni dan
Yes, please.
apabila teman-teman di sini setuju, Eni memang terlihat tidak seperti usia 50, masih terlihat sehat dan masih terlihat cantik, boleh nggak ditulis di kolom chatnya setuju? So Eni can also see that you all agree that she doesn't look like 50 and she looks very healthy and pretty. Would you please type setuju? So she will be very confident to
Oh, thank you. Terima kasih ya, Mato Suksma in bahasa Bali.
Wow, you do speak Bali. I don't even speak Bali. Matur suksma.
Yeah.
Oke, you can continue, Annie. Terima kasih
Okay.
teman-teman semua untuk responnya. Silahkan menikmati sharing berikut dalam bahasa campur-campur.
Ya, terima kasih Lisa. Terima kasih all for your vote of confidence. Yeah, we can only try our best. Yeah, but what's important is we know what is good for us and we put the effort setiap hari. Mesti luangkan masa dengan buat effort untuk take care of ourselves lah. Yeah. So let me share my slides. So give me 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, I hope everybody can see my slide. Jika tidak boleh lihat slide, tolong kasih tahu because lepas saya share dekat full screen, saya tidak boleh lihat itu chat group ya. So tolong beritahu jika tidak nampak jelas ke tidak boleh dengar jelas. So ininya slide saya. Saya mesti update tapi belum update. But I wanted to show you. Saya mau share before Young Living. Okay, so macam saya bilang tadi, saya start lifestyle Young Living March 2014. Ya, so Ini dia gambar saya before Young Living 2011 ya, saya baru 38 tahun tahun itu. Dan ini just before setahun sebelum start Young Living, ini 2013 punya gambar, itu saya 40 tahun. Dan lepas tu 2020 ini 6 tahun selepas guna Young Living. Ya, you can see the glow. Itu cerahnya skin kulit saya tidak sama ya, sama dengan itu rambut pun dia punya health and vitality tidak sama ya. Even though masa tu saya masih lebih muda dari 2020 atau 2021 ya. So sekarang saya sudah 11 tahun lebih dengan lifestyle Young Living. Ya, and I tidak pernah stop itu essential reward to loyalty program ever since I started. Ya, because you can see in the picture the health, the vitality, ya, in the hair, in the skin, in the glow, it's just different. Okay? Kurang sama. So today we're going to talk about Deep Spectra Phytocomplex. Ya, ini sudah launch di Malaysia sudah beberapa bulan. Ya, so first of all, Deep Spectra Phytocomplex ada 3 ingredient saja. So apa yang saya suka about it is not complicated. The ingredient, ya, it's very clear. Itu pertamanya black seed oil. Okay, and if you Google black seed oil, you tahu Cleopatra, all this is a very ancient culture yang zaman-zaman dulu macam Egyptian, Cleopatra and all that, they all guna black seed oil untuk jaga kesihatan dan kecantikan, ya. Dan lepas tu Deep Spectra Orange Cacao, okay, dengan Deep Spectra Frankincense. Okay, apa dia bedanya? Saya harap semua orang sudah tahu bedanya frankincense yang biasa, yang living dengan frankincense deep spectra. Okay, jika tidak tahu apa yang bedanya ialah dia guna frankincense yang biasa, frankincense oil as the raw material to distill frankincense deep spectra. So because of that, dia jadi lebih powerful, ya, very very potent. So what Gary Young wanted to capture, because itu frankincense yang biasa, Gary Young selalunya khawatir itu molekul panggil boswellic acid yang selalu tidak boleh di capture dengan biasa punya distillation proses dengan frankincense biasa kita. So selalu dia fikir, oh it's wasted, ya, the boswellia acid is so useful. So dia selalu mau cari ways to distill yang boleh capture to boswellic acid, and itulah dia selepas all the research scientists continue dia Gary Young punya kerja ni lepas dia sudah pass away, ya. So they managed to capture it by using, instead of frankincense rosin as the raw material for distillation, dia guna frankincense oil. So dia sudah successfully capture itu boswellia acid, and because of that, sebab itu frankincense deep spectra, tahukah frankincense deep spectra dia punya potensi ya untuk antioksidan adalah 4.6 kali lebih powerful. Dia macam Superman lah. Lebih powerful daripada normal frankincense, ya. So they use ini same technique untuk itu cacao orange oil dengan untuk distill cacao orange oil. So back to Deep Spectra Frankincense, the 4.6 kali lebih powerful. Inilah testimoni dia. Ya, ini dari testimoni teman-teman di Malaysia, ya, about gunanya frankincense untuk mata. Tengok dia ada panggil apa? Ketumbit. Ya, dia punya anak. Dan lepas apply 3 hari sudah macam reda. So all macam biasa normal sudah mata dia. Ya. Dan ini testimoninya dengan dia punya kulit di finger dia, dia punya jari, ya. Dia guna deep spectra frankincense lepas 2 hari saja. Tengok bedanya. So that's how powerful itu deep spectra punya frankincense is. Ini satu lagi testimoni sebelum guna dengan selepas. Ininya testimoni guna deep spectra frankincense lepas 1 hari saja. Ya. Dan ini before dia punya kulit sangat kering, macam sangat sakit ya. Bila dia terlalu kering, dia macam mau break ya, crack. Dia sudah selepas 1 titik, 1 hari dia sudah so much better, sudah jadi bagus ya. So indeed, I hope you have all tried the deep spectra frankincense. Dia memang sangat powerful ya, macam Superman.
Oke, sorry
Okay?
Annie to interrupt
Ya,
again.
ya.
Jadi teman-teman semuanya bahwa memang Deep Spectra Frankincense Square masih bisa digunakan untuk kosmetik, which is di kulit gitu ya. Tapi mohon perhatian bahwa ketika teman-teman melihat testimoni seperti ini adalah personal experience from Annie and from people in Malaysia. So the result is depending on each person's condition gitu ya. So each person's condition will very determine the result of this. Maksudnya hasilnya nanti itu tergantung kondisi masing-masing orang. Jadi nggak bisa juga kita langsung menyamaratakan dalam sekian lama sudah membaik gitu ya, sudah tertolong, sudah terlihat lebih baik gitu. Ini semua adalah berdasarkan kondisi masing-masing dan ini adalah personal experience atau pengalaman pribadi gitu. Oke, thank you. Itu aja yang mau saya ingetin teman-teman semuanya. Annie, go
Ya,
for it. Back to you.
itu betul Lisa, because kita punya badan, kita punya lifestyle semua beda-beda, so mungkin all our bodies will take different time to have different results, ya. So that's true. Thank you for the reminder, Lisa, ya. So the other thing that dalam deep spectra phytocomplex yang ingredient kedua selepas deep spectra frankincense, ingredient yang kedua itu black seed oil. Ya, so black seed oil kita sudah ada di Malaysia, yang living Malaysia sudah beberapa tahun. Ya, so jika you Google black seed oil, dia sudah digunakan zaman-zaman dahulu, especially in the orang Egyptian, ya. This one I found on Google, ya. Dia cakap black seed oil can be used for allergies, asthma, diabetes, headache, high blood pressure, ya. But of course, this is not a medical. They haven't done medical test on it. It was just what people say about black seed oil. Yeah, but because I read it online, I was very intrigued by black seed oil because to me, if something is sangat baik, if something is good, it will survive the test of time. Like people won't forget about it. Ya, tapi jika satu produk yang tidak bagus, sure, after some time people will not talk about it. So to me, whenever I read something, sudah banyak zaman, sudah guna, I'm always willing to try. Okay? So itu black seed oil in Malaysia is now registered as traditional medicine. Yeah. Bukan cosmetic. So because in Malaysia is registered as traditional medicine, I put black seed oil, I ingest it every single day. How do I ingest my black seed oil? I put it in my Ningxia shot every morning. I will take 3 dropper, yeah, half dropper lah, and put into my Ningxia every morning, and then I will drink it, yeah, just as a maintenance for immune support, for good skin, yeah, for reduction of inflammation that I have read. Okay. So the other thing apa yang saya also taruh dalam Ningxia Red saya every single morning is frankincense vitality dengan orange vitality oil. In Malaysia, vitality oil means you boleh boleh makan, yeah, you can drink it. Okay, so for years I have put, sudah banyak tahun, every morning I wake up, I put my Ningxia, and then I put black seed oil 3 droppers, and then frankincense vitality and orange vitality. So why I mention this is because frankincense, orange, cacao is a little bit different, but it's still orange. Dengan black seed oil is all part of phytocomplex. Okay, so I'm very happy when phytocomplex came into Malaysia because then it's all in one. Yeah. Um, so before I talk about phytocomplex, apa yang made my skin improve with phytocomplex, I want to say that I also started Bloom Collagen, like Sue, yeah, with Bloom Skincare when it came into Malaysia. Okay, so ini dia, let me see, May 2020, ini gambar-gambar yang Living Malaysia cakap we must take a gambar because it was for a testimonial competition, yeah, without filter, without any editing, must be raw gambar yang pure, yeah, without any editing. So these are my photos that I took in 2020 for that competition. And then this is selepas 1 tahun, plus or minus 1 tahun, 12 bulan, saya setiap malam sebelum tidur, saya akan minum itu Bloom Collagen, 1 bottle, ya, dengan guna Bloom Skincare. So this is after 1 tahun, and also this gambar 2021 pun tidak ada filter, tidak ada editing, ya, just natural sunlight. So you can see, even though I'm 1 year younger, all the blemish yang merah-merah dengan dia punya spot-spot all sudah improve, and also the deep line, yeah, the wrinkle line is all improved. And this is after Bloom Collagen. So why I mentioned Bloom Collagen is because after that, when selepas itu saya guna phytocomplex, of course the change, dia punya beda, skin won't be so big anymore. Yeah, but there is still change. Okay, so ini dia saya punya testimonial bila saya guna Deep Spectra Phytocomplex. Ini saya pun a bit surprised, yeah, myself, because this is after 1 night of using Deep Spectra Phytocomplex on my skin. Ya, macam mana saya guna Deep Spectra Phytocomplex? Saya guna itu dropper, about half a dropper. Ya, I put on my skin, and then I will massage it and massage the neck area. Okay, so this is also gambar pun without filter, without editing. Yeah, just in the morning. Sorry, my bathroom, saya punya toilet, dia punya sunlight not so strong, but this is what I took in my bathroom. So you can see the glow, cerahnya kulit dengan very even. Yeah, everything becomes very even and there's a nice glow. So this is after selepas 1 malam. Okay. Dan ini dia testimonial saya also without editing, without filter, selepas 12 hari. Yeah, this one I shared in my Facebook group to my team. So without makeup, without anything. Yeah, so you can see dia punya glow memang tidak sama. Yeah. So of course, I will continue using Phytocomplex because it really is a very, very good product. Okay.
Sorry, Annie. So this one is after 12 days.
Yes.
And the previous one is only after 1 night.
Yes. But
Oh, wow.
because it's different lighting also lah. I tried to get the most natural lighting. This one was from my house, the bathroom. This one was in my car.
It's okay. Tapi teman-teman bisa ngelihat nggak ya? Can you please backward 1 slide? Dalam waktu 1 malam itu terlihat perbedaannya. Lalu kemudian move forward 1 slide, please.
Yeah.
Teman-teman di sini bisa ngelihat nggak beda, dan setelah 12 hari cuma dalam pemakaian 12 hari Phytocomplex jadinya udah seperti ini, no makeup at all,
No
kemudian
makeup at
filter
all.
at all.
Yeah.
Boleh tahu pendapat teman-teman bagaimana penggunaan Phytocomplex dalam waktu 1 malam dan dalam waktu 12 hari saja? Kami masih menunggu di kolom chatnya.
Also,
Jadi,
Lisa, I want to add that this is after I went to Koh Lanta in Thailand for 1 week. So in Koh Lanta in Thailand, it was very panas, and me and my daughter on the scooter the whole day. Yeah, so normally at this age, if I too much in the sun, you will see the spots. Yeah. So I was very impressed that even after 1 week in the sun, in the scooter, it's much better, like more even. Yeah. Also, I want to tell everybody I spend a lot of time in Bali because we are investing in some project there. So I will go maybe 2 bulan, 3 bulan, and when I'm there, my only mode of transport is scooter. So scooter means sangat panas, ya, sangat terik. So you know, the spots sometimes will come, especially after I come back here, I notice there's extra spot. So the phytocomplex really help to even out. It makes it less prominent, less dark. Yeah.
Jadi teman-teman, barusan ini cerita bahwa beliau menggunakannya juga pada setelah beliau berlibur di Koh Lanta atau kadang-kadang beliau berlibur, sebenarnya bukan berlibur, ada urusan ke Bali. Dan di Bali dan di Thailand sana itu sangat panas sekali. Tapi teman-teman bisa melihat hasilnya dengan penggunaan phytocomplex. Itu phytocomplex bisa benar-benar membantu kulit kita untuk tidak terlalu gelap, lalu kemudian juga tidak timbul dark spot atau timbul bintik-bintik hitam di kulitnya. Dan ini terjadi setelah penggunaan setelah berlibur di tempat yang panas dan pakai skuter atau pakai motor kemana-mana gitu ya. Ini sangat luar biasa sih sebenarnya. Saya juga kagum ketika beliau share waktu kita meeting pre-meeting, preparation meeting kita udah pada oh wow gitu. Terus sekarang saya sebenarnya udah gak terlalu terlalu kagum karena saya udah pernah, tapi saya tetap oh wow gitu ya. Masih this is oh wow. Oke Annie, there's some question actually, but teman-teman kita jawab pertanyaannya di belakang aja boleh ya, Ciria, dan satu lagi tadi adalah Kakak Linawati. Nanti kita jawab di belakang ya. Oke, we will answer the question after your testimonial. But
Okay.
untuk teman-teman yang punya pertanyaan, boleh ditulis aja dulu di kolom chatnya. Nanti akan kita balas di akhir dari sesi ini. Yuk, yang
Okay.
masih punya pertanyaan, tolong ditulis dulu di kolom chatnya. Annie, you can continue. You are welcome to continue to amaze us, to inspire us about this product.
Yeah,
Thank you,
because
Annie.
if you ask my friends, I'm the type that if I like the lifestyle, I will just do it, you know. So I like scootering in Bali because it's fast and I enjoy the scooter. So I'm not the type that like will take care of my skin macam very, very passionately, yeah. But I do also want to look good, right? But I won't change my lifestyle for beauty, you know? So I do spend a lot of time in the sun. So what I notice about phytocomplex is three things. Yeah, my lines, of course, when we are 50 plus, there's smile lines. It become lighter. It's still there, but it's not so dry and deep. Okay, that's number one. Number two is the glow. Definitely is there. And then number three, the bintik-bintik menjadi lebih ceria. So I do also put, I'm very lazy, yeah. I don't put a separate eye cream. I will also put the phytocomplex on my eye area. Okay, and it works for me. All right.
Jadi teman-teman, Eni ini sangat suka naik motor di tengah panas gitu ya. Dan tapi dia tetap mau terlihat baik, terlihat cantik, terlihat sehat gitu. Jadi dia tidak akan mau menggantikan gaya hidupnya, which is yang tadi naik motor di tengah panas itu supaya tetap terlihat baik. Jadi jalannya adalah beliau menggunakan phytocomplex supaya beliau tetap bisa melakukan gaya hidupnya naik motor di tengah panas tadi tanpa berakibat buruk. Yang paling beliau suka adalah garis-garis hitam atau kerutan hitam di bawah kulit, di bawah matanya itu tidak terlalu parah. Lalu kulitnya masih tetap bisa glowing walaupun di tengah panas gitu. Itu beliau sangat suka sekali dan kemudian bintik hitam juga tidak timbul. So sorry Annie for translating you. Now you can
No
speak
problem.
campur-campur lagi lah.
Thank you, Lisa. Just one more slide. Ini dia saya punya oiler sudah banyak tahun jadi oiler kita Lorna ya dia ada share dia punya experience dengan Deep Spectra Phytocomplex. So Lorna dia punya business is dia suka buat craft ya dia buat bookmark, buat diary, buat a lot of different craft to sell. to the bookshop, ya. So dia selalu guna glue yang chemical untuk dia punya craft dengan dia punya tools untuk itu craft. Sometimes buat dia punya kulit sangat kering dengan the chemical react to the skin, ya. You boleh nampak day one ni macam kasih dia very very kering until dia pecah-pecah macam sangat sakit, ya. So dia ada baca Deep Spectra Phytocomplex banyak bagus untuk skin, untuk kulit. So dia try, ya. So ini dia testimonial dia day one dan day two 1 hari saja sudah jadi tidak nampak begitu kering dengan kurang kering dengan tidak nampak begitu marah ya dia punya skin macam sudah calm, ya, sudah calm down. So itu dia Deep Spectra. Dia ada apply Deep Spectra, lepas tu dia taruh lotion to seal in the Deep Spectra. Yeah. So we hope that this testimonial can help a lot of people here who are having different issues with their skin. It might be different how it heals might be different, yeah, but because our lifestyle dengan kita punya kulit, kita punya badan beda-beda, yeah, but definitely it will help in some way. Okay, that's all I have for you. Thank you very much for listening to my testimonial. And if you have any questions, please let me know, yeah. Lisa, do I stop sharing or you want to
Would
translate?
you please stop sharing because
Okay.
you did speak in bahasa, tapi yang jelas yang barusan teman-teman, ini Ibu Lorna ini yang barusan ini mungkin kurang lebih mirip dengan Ciria nih, suka kerajinan tangan. Ciria juga suka banget kerajinan tangan, bahkan punya bisnis dalam kerajinan tangan ini. Nah, Ibu Lorna yang barusan diceritakan karena dia suka berurusan dengan lem, akhirnya tangannya itu terjadi kekeringan gitu ya sampai sakit. Kemudian beliau menggunakannya adalah Deep Spectra Phytocomplex gitu. Nah, Deep Spectra Phytocomplex ini ternyata dalam waktu hanya 1 hari, 2 hari kulitnya sudah sangat membaik walaupun beliau menggunakan lem yang benar-benar cukup berbahaya bagi kulit dan tadi teman-teman lihat sendiri bagaimana keadaan kulitnya dalam waktu 2 hari semuanya sudah membaik. Jadi Deep Spectra Phytocomplex memang benar-benar menolong kulit, baik itu kulit tangan, kulit sini yang punya masalah kekeringan atau punya masalah lainnya, dan terutama kulit wajah kita. Teman-teman boleh lihat sendiri di Annie bahwa kulit wajahnya sangat glowing, bintik hitamnya I cannot see, I cannot spot any dark spot over there. I cannot also see your under eye bag or under eye wrinkles, even though Ibu Eni senang sekali skuteran di tengah panas gitu ya. Ibu Eni berharap bahwa apa yang beliau sharingkan ini benar-benar bisa menjadi inspirasi untuk teman-teman untuk mengerti tentang Deep Spectra Phytocomplex dan kehebatannya untuk kulit kita. Oke, sebelum kita akan nanti menutup sesi testimonial ini, is there any question from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Singapore? You are welcome to write on the chat column, and then we will try our best to answer with compliance. Don't forget about it.
Oh, I think somebody asked if I use sunscreen. Okay, when I'm in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, I don't use any sunscreen because I'm lazy. And I also don't like the skin, tidak suka tu macam sticky, ya. But if I'm on the scooter in Bali, definitely I use sunscreen. I use the Young Living Mineral Essence. It's a bit sticky, but it's okay. Yeah, it's better to protect the skin because naik scooter memang terik sekali ya, itu matahari, and in Bali sometimes can get panas sekali ya. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Annie. There's a question also, if I'm not mistaken. Do you use any other skincare product like Bloom Skincare or maybe anything else in Malaysia, or you only use Phytocomplex only?
I use Bloom ever since it came out. It works very well for my skin. Saya punya kulit, the base itu memang more towards kering punya from young, yeah. So Bloom skincare really helps my skin. How I use it, I use the toner first I use the cleanser to cleanse, and I use the toner. Lepas tu, before Deep Spectra Phyto Complex, I make my own facial oil, yeah, with the black seed oil as the carrier, and then I will mix rose oil and frankincense oil, myrrh, all the oils that's good for the skin. But since Deep Spectra Phyto Complex came out, saya sudah guna Deep Spectra Phyto Complex as the facial oil. Dan lepas tu, I still need to seal in itu facial oil. Yeah, so I use, we have sandalwood boswellia cream. It works very well for me. I don't know if you have it in Indonesia, Lisa.
Sandalwood boswellia. Boswellia, the one we do have it.
In the tube, yeah?
In the tube, we do have it.
Yeah. So lepas itu face Deep Spectra, I put the Boswellia sandalwood cream. I think it's very suitable for, you know, older people, the Boswellia sandalwood. Yeah.
Okay. There is a question from Ingrid Hillman about Boswellia sandalwood, but you already just answered it. And then Ibu Linda Abu Bakar, her skin cannot use dry serum. Do you think Deep Spectra will be suitable for her?
Her skin cannot use dry serum? I don't understand. Her skin is dry or her skin is oily?
Ibu Linda, your skin is dry or your skin is oily? Oh, you are allergic to.
Okay. Maybe try the patch test. Mungkin taruh satu titik Deep Spectra Phyto Complex dekat tangan sini. Wait, tunggu berapa minit. Jika tidak react, tidak macam biting ya, atau tidak macam
Tingling.
itchy ya, then should be okay. Tapi jika masih tingling, so if it's tingling but you still want to try, then maybe you can dilute it. You boleh guna, you can get the what do you call, black seed oil,
Yeah.
and tambah, maybe try the Deep Spectra satu titik dulu dengan tambah black seed oil dulu, then slowly. Yeah, I got a lot of oilers in my team that have all sorts of different reaction to different product. There's one person, there's a few people who cannot take Ningxia. Yeah, they take Ningxia and then headache. So she cannot take, so tapi dia mau kebaikan, all the benefit from Ningxia. So how she do, for 6 months, she take 1 tablespoon. She start the first month 1 tablespoon every day.
Of
She just take
Ningxia.
1 tablespoon, then no headache. Then second month she take 2. Then she slowly increase, and now she can minum the 60 ml sachet, no problem. Yeah,
Start slow, go slow, yeah, and
yeah,
start
so
slow, go
with our
slow.
skin also, because sometimes the product, if it's very potent, macam very strong, it bring out the toxin, and our body got so many different toxin, memang tidak sama untuk setiap orang, yeah. So you got to also balance off so that it's not too uncomfortable, that you cannot go to work or you cannot sleep or you cannot do normal thing, yeah. So you macam slowly train the body, macam tu, yeah.
Okay. Annie, do you drink Ningxia Red to how much per day, and how many sachet of Ningxia Red do you drink per day?
I started, as most people, so many years ago, 30 ml, yeah. Then after a few years, then maybe 5 years ago, I started 60 ml. But now the last year, I think I take usually 60 ml in the morning, one sachet or pour from the bottle, and then in the afternoon another 60 ml. But now my team is doing the Ningxia reset. So today is the second day of the reset. So today we will drink 120 in the morning, 120 in the afternoon, 120 in the evening.
Okay.
So if anybody is doing the reset, I did it the first time in August. And I was very surprised, yeah, because I always thought Ningxia is nourishing. I didn't know that Ningxia can be a detox tool. Yes, so I thought, oh, I'm used to drinking Ningxia, I just drink, right? So last month, the first 3 days that we drink a lot, the second and third day, I had a very bad reaction. Okay, I never get pening kepala, never. And then suddenly I macam migraine, I cannot wake up from the bed for 2 days because I take the Ningxia, but I thought, okay, it's okay. On day 2, I drink the mocha, and my system cannot drink a lot of caffeine, cannot take a lot of coffee. But I thought it's okay. I drink mocha. Next, on day 3 morning, I take a very strong matcha. So then I think the caffeine
Caffeine is too much.
with the detox is too much. Really thorough, like 2 days, I sleep in the bed. I cannot do anything because pening. But after that, day 4, day 5, all is very good. Yeah, so I
Oke.
learn now. So now I don't touch caffeine when I'm on detox program.
Jadi beliau, Ibu Eni ini selama ini apa ya? Selama ini yang beliau yakini adalah Ningxia adalah untuk nourishing atau memberikan nutrisi pada tubuh. Beliau belum pernah mengalami atau menyadari gitu ya atau meyakini bahwa Ningxia itu bisa untuk detoksifikasi juga. Jadi beliau sekarang sedang dalam Ningxia riset which is meminum 6 sachet per day, right, Annie?
I drink 60 ml in the morning
Oh,
sekarang.
60 ml in no, the
Normal
first
lah,
one
normal.
until
And
3
then
days.
afternoon, 60 ml.
The first 3 days?
Oh, for the reset,
Iya, for the reset.
120 in the morning.
Aha.
120, so 2 sachet morning, 2 sachet afternoon, 2 sachet in the sore, in the
Yes, jadi six sachet in a day. Lalu
evening.
kemudian beliau mengalami detoksifikasi ternyata ya, headache right. Jadi beliau mengalami pusing-pusing, beliau mengalami apa sakit kepala gitu. Dan tapi kemudian apabila itu dilakukan kembali, maka di hari berikutnya ternyata semuanya sudah kembali normal lagi. Nah, jadi teman-teman memang walaupun sedikit menyimpang dari tema kita, tapi memang Ningxia Red, nanti teman-teman di Indonesia punya program BMR, mungkin di awal-awal karena kita meminumnya 6 sachet per hari, itu akan ada akibat-akibat tertentu dari detoksifikasi membuang racun dari dalam tubuh kita. Entah itu pusing, entah ada yang mengalami hal lain, tapi ternyata memang itu satu hal yang memang terjadi untuk membuang racun di dalam tubuh kita. Baik, I think semuanya sudah dijawab dengan baik oleh Annie. Sebelum Annie left, bolehkah teman-teman memberikan apa ya, memberikan kata-kata penghargaan untuk Annie apa yang teman-teman dapatkan di siang hari ini dari testimoni dan sharing dari Annie. Saya masih menunggu di kolom chatnya. Silahkan teman-teman, apa yang teman-teman dapatkan di pagi hari ini. Eh, Hi, friends from Singapore, Malaysia, or maybe from Poland. Could you please write down in the chat column what do you get today from her sharing? So she knows that is she inspiring you, or what about her sharing? Is it very useful for you? So you are welcome to write down in column chat. Oh, how do you feel? What do you get from her sharing? Okay, thank you, Annie. Amazing, right? The sharing. Stay glowing. And they become semangat. What do we call semangat ya? They really want to to use phytocomplex. Sorry.
Yeah, so I just want to give everybody a reminder, especially those who are quite new, yeah. With Young Living product, it changed, it tukar your DNA, from the inside. So you cannot treat macam just guna then straight away the result you expect, like short term. It doesn't work that way. Tapi yang what's good is if you are consistent, you just use over the time, it changed from the inside out. And so to me, those type of changes are more sustainable. Yeah.
Ya, jadi menggunakan produk yang living teman-teman, karena ini memang produk yang berasal dari alam, ini tidak bisa diharapkan resultnya dalam waktu singkat. Tapi memang essential oil dari yang living, produk dari yang living, itu memang dia akan memberikan harmoni, dia akan memberikan balance. Yang tadinya mungkin terjadi kurang, apa ya, misalnya kulitnya tadinya kurang baik, dia akan membuat itu menjadi baik lagi. Bahkan yang tadinya overuse atau terlalu baik, dia akan membuat itu agak sedikit dikurangi supaya menjadi balance lagi. Karena dunia ini butuh balancing, dunia ini butuh harmoni. Demikian juga tubuh kita harus selalu dalam kondisi balance gitu ya, untuk tetap sehat, untuk tetap cantik, untuk tetap baik. Jadi itulah apa yang dilakukan oleh produk yang living yang berasal dari alam ini akan membuat semua sel tubuh kita berada dalam kondisi yang balance dan harmoni. Dan itu tidak bisa dalam waktu singkat. Jadi, lakukan terus konsistensi gaya hidup sehat kamu, lakukan terus konsistensi menggunakan produk-produk yang living yang akan membuat tubuh kita berada dalam kondisi harmoni, balance, dan dengan demikian maka akan lebih baik lagi ketika ada serangan dari luar. Saya nggak bisa kasih tahu serangannya apa, tapi teman-teman tahulah ya serangan apa aja yang bisa menyerang tubuh kita, dia akan lebih firm karena dia sudah balance, dia tahu bagaimana cara melawannya gitu ya. Oke, terima kasih banyak teman-teman semuanya. Thank you for having all of you here. And Annie, thank you so much for your sharing. Do you
Terima
have any other
kasih.
message for us? Maybe?
Yeah, that's why Young Living is a lifestyle. It's not a medicine, it's not, it really is adopting a lifestyle. Just like for me, practice yoga, you cannot practice yoga 2 weeks and then solve all the problems in your body. Yeah. So it is a daily tool. Macam our life is so out of balance. So what Lisa said is true. It's a balancing tool in our body. So if we cannot take ourself out of this lifestyle that is not so balanced, not like in Switzerland, the water is very pure, the air is very clean, the stress goes away when you look at the mountains, yeah. Then we have to have balancing tool, and I feel very grateful that we have this Young Living products to help us every single day. The only thing is we must put in the effort to use them because no point we buy, they sit on the shelf. I know a lot of people do that. So what I do myself, I know all of us, we got so many things to do. We are tired, we are lazy, it's hard. So the oils that I use in the morning, they're all in my bathroom. So before I put on my clothes, I shower, I already put the oil. The oils I use before I sleep, they're next to my bedside table. The diffuser next to my bed, I have 1 liter of water that I fill up with filtered water once a week. Because if every day I got to take the water from the water filter to my room, I'm not going to do it. So I find ways to make it easy for myself. So I want to advise that you find ways to make it easy and convenient so that you stick to this lifestyle and then you will reap the benefits. Yeah.
Oke, thank you so much for that, Annie. Jadi produk yang living itu teman-teman itu adalah gaya hidup gitu ya, yang tidak contohnya tadi Annie bilang bahwa yoga. Kita tidak bisa mengharapkan tiba-tiba badan kita misalnya tidak sakit-sakit lagi punggungnya, tidak sakit-sakit lagi kakinya hanya dengan melakukan yoga dalam waktu 2 minggu contohnya ya. Atau misalnya kita langsung sehat kuat hanya dalam waktu 2 minggu melakukan yoga. Atau kita tidak hidup di Switzerland juga teman-teman di mana airnya sangat murni, udaranya di pegunungan sangat murni, nggak ada stres karena slow living. Kita juga nggak hidup dalam lingkungan seperti itu. Sehingga keseimbangan di tubuh kita juga tidak bisa kita dapatkan dengan mudah. Maka untuk mendapatkan kesehatan yang baik, kita perlu gaya hidup yang kita lakukan secara konsisten dengan produk dari Yang Living. Dan beliau barusan men-sharingkan hal yang sangat baik sekali hacks teman-teman untuk bisa terus menjadikan yang living gaya hidup kamu. Oil apa yang teman-teman biasa pakai sebelum tidur? Aku boleh tanya di kolom chat. Teman-teman biasa pakai oil apa ya sebelum tidur? Misalnya ada nggak yang punya kebiasaan pakai oil A gitu sebelum tidur? Ada. Kalau ada biasanya pakai oil apa sebelum tidur? Contohnya pakai frankincense ke wajah. Oh, Cisasmi, thank you. Niwayan pakai lavender. Pakai frankincense sebelum tidur. Pakai lavender. Ada nggak yang kayak saya? Pakai rose sebelum tidur. Apa saya doang yang sultan di tempat ini ya? I always put rose before I go to bed, I go to sleep because I am a member of royal family, so I use rose for that. Jadi teman-teman, ada kan sultan kan aku kan. Nah, jadi taruhlah oil sebelum tidur di samping tempat tidur teman-teman gitu ya. Jadi kita keingetan gitu. mau tidur ya, aku pakai ini dulu. Atau kalau teman-teman punya diffuser yang biasa air non mineral di sampingnya, supaya kita nggak bolak-balik gitu ya untuk ngambil botolnya tersebut, untuk ngambil airnya. Jadi kita ingat, tinggal taruh diffuser, tinggal taruh oilnya langsung. Atau ada teman-teman yang menggunakan oil tertentu untuk setelah mandi, taruh di kamar mandi teman-teman. Kalau saya selalu taruhnya pastinya adalah diffuser mobil yang saya taruh di mobil beserta jajaran essential oilnya gitu ya, saya taruh di mobil. Jadi setiap di mobil saya nggak mungkin lupa untuk mendiffuse apapun juga ke kantor, pulang dari kantor, apalagi anak. Kalau anak saya mau berangkat sekolah itu udah wajib pakai essential oil, dia udah tahu. Jadi ditaruhnya itu langsung di kamar mandi. Begitu dia selesai mandi, Mom, my oil. Mom, my oil. Dia sudah tahu. Jadi kayaknya bagus banget ya hacksnya. Taruh, lakukan apapun yang membuat teman-teman gampang inget, mudah inget untuk pakai essential oil setiap hari gitu ya. Itu bagus banget. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you Annie. Oke
Terima
teman-teman,
kasih.
thank you Annie. Thank you teman-teman semuanya. Pastinya semuanya sudah mendapat inspirasi. Ketemu lagi di sharing-sharing yang living berikutnya. Ketemu lagi di training-training yang living berikutnya. And see you next time. Bye.
Thank you for having me. Bye, everyone. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful. Bye-bye.